8th Standard Business Studies, Chapter 1, Components of Business Studies. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with appropriate words in the following sentences. First one, the economic activity that provides technical or specialized personal services to the consumer is called dash. Answer is profession. Second one, in olden days, the goods were exchanged for goods, which was called dash system of exchange. Answer is barter. Third one, the full responsibility of paper money vests with dash. Answer is the central bank of the country. The emergence of communities and villages took place during dash stage. Answer is agricultural. Fifth one, the main cause for international trade was dash. Answer is the Industrial Revolution. Sixth one, trade and commerce contribute to the economic development of a country by paying dash, dash and dash to the government. Answer is rates, taxes and duties. Let's move to second main. Answer each of the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. First question, what is an economic activity? Answer is the activities which are concerned with the production and exchange of goods and services are called economic activities. Let's move to second question. Give the meaning of trade and commerce. Answer is trade is referred to as a basic economic activity that involves buying and selling of different goods and services between 2 or more parties involved in the transaction. Commerce involves all the activities that aid in promoting the exchange of goods and services from the manufacturer to the last customers. Let's move to question number 3. What is meant by barter system of exchange? Answer is the direct exchange of goods for goods or other things is called barter system of exchange. Let's move to question number 4. What is a profession? Answer is, a profession is mainly concerned with the rendering of specialized technical and personal services. Example, lawyers, doctors, chartered accountants, etc. Question number 5. What are aids to trade? Name them. Answer is, the facilities which are helpful for the development of trade is called aids to trade. It includes transportation, banking, storage facilities, advertisement agencies, insurance, etc. Question number 6. What are craft guilds? Answer is, a body of professional craftsmen such as carpenters, blacksmiths, weavers, builders is called craft guilds. Let's move to third main. Answer each of the following questions in a paragraph. First question. How do production and exchange play a very important role in our daily life? Answer is, production and exchange play a very dominant role in our daily life. The producers produce goods according to the demand for their goods in the market. They need the help of market, transportation, storage, advertisement, etc. The distribution of goods and services is called exchange. Exchange is connecting link between production and consumption. In this way, production and exchange play a very important role in our daily life. Let's move to question number 2. Explain the different types of economic activities. Answer is, economic activities can be broadly classified into 3 types. They are, first one, business, second one, profession, third one, employment. First one, business. It is mainly concerned with the production and exchange of goods and services. Second one, profession. It is mainly concerned with the rendering of specialized technical and personal services. Example, lawyers, doctors, chartered accountants, etc. Third one, employment. It is the work undertaken by the people under an employer for salary or wages. Example, agricultural laborers, industrial laborers. These are all about the different types of economic activities. Let's move to question number 3. What are the difficulties of barter system of exchange? How has money solved these problems? Answer is, the difficulties of barter system of exchange are: first one, lack of double coincidence of wants. Second one, lack of common measure of value. Third one, difficulty of subdivision. Fourth one, difficulty to store the goods or to transport. These are all the difficulties of barter system of exchange. Now let us see how money has solved these problems. To overcome the difficulties of barter system of exchange, many mediums of exchange were used. Example, paper money. Paper money is a token money which generally comprises of banknotes issued by the central bank of the country. It has full support of the government. Nowadays, money in the form of checks, draft, bills, credit card, debit card, etc. play a very important role. In this way, money has solved the problems of barter system of exchange. Question number 3. Which are the important stages of economic evolution? Briefly explain any one. The important stages of economic evolution are: first one, hunting and fishing stage. Second one, pastoral stage. Third one, agricultural stage. Fourth one, handicraft stage. Fifth one, barter system stage. Sixth one, money economy stage. Seventh one, town economy stage. Eighth one, international trade stage. These are all the important stages of economic evolution. Now we shall explain it. We shall explain hunting and fishing stage. Hunting and fishing stage. It was the earliest stage of human civilization. During this stage, man was a wanderer. There was no fixed place for him. He moved in groups from one place to another in search of food. They hunted animals for food. Fishing was also carried out by them. They gathered fruits, roots, and nuts for food. They lived in caves or hollows of trees. They covered their bodies with leaves or skins of the animals to protect their bodies from the sun, wind, and rain. No economic activity existed during this stage. These are all about the features of hunting and fishing stage.